Hello guys, welcome to Vision Success. Guys, in this video we will discuss about Hong Kong protest. तो हांगकांग प्रोटेस्ट क्या है, किन कारणों की वजह से यह शुरू हुआ, अम्ब्रेला मूवमेंट क्या है और प्रोटेस्टर्स की डिमांड क्या है, वो चाइना गवर्नमेंट से क्या मांग कर रहे हैं, इन सभी प्रकरणों के बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो गाइज, अ ग्रेट मेनी प्रोटेस्टर्स are assembling in central Hong Kong to stamp the fifth commemoration of the Umbrella Movement that got parts of the city to a stop for more than 2 months towards the finish of 2014. What is the Umbrella Movement? The protests began in response to a choice made by China that it would permit elections in Hong Kong in 2017. However, just from a rundown of applicants pre-affirmed by the Chinese government, a huge number of individuals, of whom many were students, stayed outdoors in the roads and requested the options to completely free administration decisions. It was classified the umbrella movement since protesters utilized umbrellas to shield themselves from the tear gas utilized by police. Reasons for current protest, जो इस वक्त प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है उसका रीजन क्या है? सो हांगकांग protest began in June 2019 against plans to permit removal to mainland China. Critics dreaded this could undermine judicial freedom and endanger the non-conformists until 1997. Hong Kong was governed by Britain as a state and then returned to China. Under the One Nation Two Systems arrangements, it has some self-rule and its people more rights. The bill was pulled back in September 2019. Yet demonstrations continued and now request a fully democratic system and an investigation into police activities. Conflicts among police and activists have gotten progressively savage, with police discharging live shots and protesters assaulting officers and tossing petroleum bombs. The extradition bill, which set off the main protest, was presented in April 2019. It would have taken into account criminal suspects to be removed to terrain China in specific situations. The opponents said this is risking presenting Hong Kongers to unfair trials and violent treatment. They additionally contended the bill would give China more prominent influence over Hong Kong and could be utilized to target activists and all the journalists. A huge number of individuals rioted. Following the protest, leader Carrie Lam, in the end, said the bill would be suspended indefinitely. And escalation of protest. All the protesters dreaded the bill could be revived, so demonstrations continued, calling for it to be pulled back totally. By then, conflicts among police and protesters had gotten increasingly frequent and vicious. Finally, in September 2019, the bill was at long last pulled back. However, protesters said this was too little and too late. On 1st October, while China was commending 70 years of Communist Party rule, Hong Kong experienced one of its generally brutal and glamorous days. An 18-year-old was shot in the chest with a live slug as protesters battled officials with poles, petroleum bombs, and different sorts. The administration at that point prohibited protesters wearing face masks, and toward the beginning of November 2019, an expert Beijing official was wounded in the road by a man professing to be a supporter. 1 week later, a cop shot one protester at short proximity when activists were attempting to set up a road block. Soon thereafter, another man was set to fire by anti government protesters. In November, a settlement among police and students blockaded on the grounds of Hong Kong's Polytechnic University turned into another crucial occasion. Soon thereafter, the region held neighborhood board elections that were viewed as a gauge of public opinion. The vote saw an avalanche triumph for pro-democracy development, with 17 of the 18 chambers presently constrained by pro-democracy. And now we will discuss about demands of protesters. So what is this? Some protesters have adopted this motto of just 5 demands, not one less. So first is an independent inquiry into alleged police brutality. Do not characterize the protest as riots. Amnesty for arrested protesters. Fourth is implementation of complete universal suffrage. The fifth demand, the withdrawal of the bill, has just been met. Protests supporting the Hong Kong development have spread over the globe, with rallies that occurred in the UK, France, US, Canada, and Australia. In many cases, individuals supporting the demonstrators were defied by pro-Beijing rallies. Chinese President Xi Jinping has cautioned against separatism, saying any endeavor to separate China would end in bodies crushed and bones ground to powder. Status of Hong Kong amidst all this. Hong Kong is a previous British province given back to China in 1997. It has its own legal, executive, and different lawful framework from mainland China. Those rights incorporate freedom of gathering and right to speak freely, of discourse. At those opportunities, the basic law terminate in 2047, and it isn't clear what Hong Kong status will at that point be. Guys, I hope it is helpful for you and आप सभी को समझ में आया हो हांगकांग प्रोटेस्ट क्या है। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक कर दीजिए, फर्स्ट टाइम आया तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए। ये बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप लोग ज़्यादा समझदार हो गए हो, इतने वीडियोस देखते हो, सभी में यही कहा जाता है, तो कर दीजिए अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो। तो थैंक यू सो मच, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।